wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best laundry hampers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Urban Mom Hanging is a smart solution for small spaces. This sturdy cotton canvas bag is built for over-the-door storage, so it's out of the way, and has a convenient zipper on the bottom for unloading when it gets full. It can go in the washing machine and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, the hooks could be stronger. At number 9, with a solid wood frame, a dark brown finish and an enclosed design, the oceanstar RHP 0109MH looks more like an elegant piece of furniture than something that holds dirty garments. Inside there's a removable liner that can be cleaned easily. It comes with rubber stoppers on the lid and hand grips on either side, but the exterior scratches too easily. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the 3 Sprouts baby bin is meant for the room that may see the most soiled items of all, the nursery. Its 2 handles fold down to create the hole through which you can toss your laundry in, and its base is made of breathable mesh. It comes in 9 cute animal designs with lightly padded walls that add structure. However, the opening is very small. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Household Essentials Collapsible folds down into a compact size for convenient storage and has a magnetic closure to ensure your clothes remain concealed. It comes in a single and double compartment model, as well as a few styles. It tends not to retain odors, and the large option has a removable lid, but the base material is flimsy. Moving up our list to number 6, the attractive honey and espresso finishes available for the Birdrock Home Oversized are made of seagrass and abaca fibers, respectively, both of which are environmentally friendly materials. Though large, its cut-out handles make it easy to carry around. The lining is machine washable and is divided into 2 sections. However, the dowel rods slip out of place often. Halfway up our list at number 5. With commercial-grade swiveling wheels that have bumpers on them, the Whitmor round can be moved from the bedroom or bathroom to the washer and dryer without scratching your walls. The clip fasteners keep the interior bag in place and are easy to remove quickly when needed. It's equipped with an attractive chrome-plated frame and is easy to assemble. It moves smoothly over carpet. At number 4, if you want something chic that won't ruin your decor and that's ready to stand up to plenty of use, the oiahomy woven is a good choice. It's made from cotton with no sharp edges or corners, making it safe for a home with children. It's equipped with strong rope handles and holds about 7 days of clothing. It also works well for toy storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Basket Lady Sorter is handcrafted from rattan with 3 compartments, each with a removable liner. This should make it easy to separate your loads and lift them out to carry them to the laundry room. A lid keeps it looking tidy, and it has Velcro to hold the bags in place. It's available in 3 finishes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when the clevermade snapbasket isn't in use, it collapses nearly flat and takes up little storage space, and it pops open just as easily when you're ready to fill it up again. It has 4 feet that help to prop it off the floor, making it good for laundromat use. It's equipped with a sturdy steel rim and wipes clean easily. It holds up to 55 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, the Seville Classics WEB182 can help with various steps in getting your clothes ready to wear again. In addition to its 3 bags that let you organize your loads, it includes a rolling cart and an ironing board to press garments on. The bags are made of tough polyester, and firm panels prevent the cart sagging. 2 of the wheels lock. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry hampers, or simply click beneath this video.